How to view referral code in GCash, step-by-step guide. GCash offers a referral program that rewards both the referrer and the new user. In this guide, you'll learn how to locate and share your referral code in the GCash app. Step 1. Open the GCash app. Ensure that the GCash app is installed on your smartphone. Open the app and log in using your registered mobile number. Step 2. Access the menu. Once logged in, tap the menu located at the upper left corner of the screen. Step 3. Navigate to Invite Friends. Scroll through the menu and look for the Invite Friends option. Tap to open. Step 4. View your referral code. Your unique referral code will be displayed on this screen. You can copy or share the code directly via messaging apps. Step 5. Share your referral code. You can share the code by tapping on the Share button. Choose your preferred platform, for example, SMS, Messenger, or Facebook. Now you know how to view and share your GCash referral code. Start inviting friends and earning rewards today. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.